Welcome friends. Today I will start the topic Bring Up Curry of Alien Hand of Class 7. This chapter is written by the writer Dhanagopal Mukherjee. In this chapter, the writer is the friend of Curry. He describes about the lifestyle of Curry. Let's start the topic. When Curry was 5 months old, he was given to the writer who was 9 years old, and he grew together, so that the writer cannot know that how tall Curry was. If he stands on the tiptoe, he could reach to the back of Curry. Curry was living on the pavilion that is made up of thick tree stumps and thatched roof. Because if Curry bumped against the poles, it cannot fall. An important thing is the Curry was saved the life of a drowning boy. The Curry eats 40 pounds of twigs. 40 pounds of twigs a day. Half of it he plays and half of it he eats. Every day morning, the writer and the Curry go to the river for bathing. First Curry lie down on the sandbank, and the writer was rough on fine sands. Rough the skin of Curry on fine sands. Then after bathing, when rubbed his skin on fine sands for an hour. After that, the Curry go to the water and lie down for a long time. After bathing, when Curry comes out from the water, he looks his skin looks like the ebony tree. The writer says that the twigs, that it is not easy job for bring twigs for Curry, because he would to climb all kind of trees to collect most delicious and tender twigs for Curry. If a twig is multilatered, an elephant cannot be touched. The writer says that one winter morning in March, when he was cutting the twigs for Curry, he hear the sound of Curry is squealing, and then he came down. He thought that someone hurting him. Then he came down and ran fast to the edge of jungle. But there is not Curry. Then he go to the pavilion. There is also not Curry. Then he saw on the river one black type of thing was struggling to the surface of the water. Then he go near and saw Curry is standing there. When Curry looked the writer, and then writer he pushed him to the water. Then the writer saw a boy is lying flat on the bottom of the river. He go near to him and saw he is drowning. Then he hold his hand and try to go to the surface of water, but this stream or the current of water pulled him to the water. Then he thought, then he pulling to the river. This is being because he is not a good swimmer. Then Curry run fast and go to halfway of the water, and stretch out his trunk for the help of the writer. And then the writer then the writer hold it, but his hand was slipped from the trunk. Then Curry hold the neck of the writer and pulled him out, and this time he saved the life of a boy. The writer tells that the writer tells that if anyone do mistakes, so scolded him or punish him. If you not punish, he will do more and more mistakes. This type Curry also do. One day when a person gave him bananas for ripe bananas to eat, when Curry eat it, then from this day his favorite dish is banana. Then one day when the fruit baskets were in the dining table, store on the dining table, the Curry stole it, but the parents of the writer scolded the servants, but the servants was not do it. Then another day, again the Curry stole all the bananas. Then this day the scolded was go to the writer, but the writer thought, I was not the thief. I don't stole all the bananas. Then one day when the writer was looking to the fruit basket, and this time the Curry's trunk came to the banana and he stole it. But the writer thought that this is a black terrible snake, and also thought that he killed all of us and eat all the bananas. Then he ran fast to the outside and see in the pavilion Curry was not there. Then he go to the pavilion and saw Curry was eating all the bananas, and it is spread down all over him and all the side of the Curry. Then the writer pulled through the ear and saw the parents. The thief was Curry and not me. Then the parents were scolded him, and the writer was scolded him and said, further if you do it, you will whipped. Then Curry thought that if I do mistakes, punish me. Then from this day, if anyone gave her some ripe bananas to eat, he eat it and squeal with pleasure. Then one day, the writer also teaches two words for the signal of sit down and when to walk. Then when he tell that and pulled his ear, this is the signal of to sit down. Then when he hold his trunk and pulled forward, this is the signal for to walk. And then the Curry was teach it, and also the writer tells about the master call. The master call was a strange hissing and howling sound as if a snake and a tiger were fighting with each other. Then if Curry's master or the writer in trouble, the master call help him. If he gave a master call, the Curry was go to the jungle or anywhere his master is in trouble. By this sound he hear it and go to him. and make a way, straight way to the straight way to the home or the house. Then now the chapter is completed. Thank you. Bye bye.